In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a catalog in Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to build a collection of products and display it on your online store for your customers to easily browse. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side menu and find the option labeled Products. Click on that, and a few more options will appear underneath. From those, choose Collections. This is where all of your product catalogs or collections will live. Go ahead and click Create Collection to open the collection editor. Inside the collection editor, you'll first want to give your catalog a clear, descriptive name. For example, you might call it Winter Catalog, Summer Collection, or Best Sellers. Think about what will make sense to your customers when they see it on your store. Next, add a description. This area supports rich text, which means you can format your text, add links, or highlight important details. Use this space to explain what the catalog is about, who it's for, or any special promotions related to these products. A good description can help guide your visitors and improve their shopping experience. Now, choose your collection type. You'll see two options, manual or automated, sometimes called smart. Manual collections let you handpick each product that goes into the catalog. Automated collections use conditions such as product tags, price, or title to automatically pull in matching products. In this example, we'll choose the manual option to keep things simple and fully under your control. With manual selected, click the Browse button. A pop-up will appear showing your available products. Go through the list and select the items you want to include in this catalog. Take a moment to double-check your choices so everything in the collection fits the theme or purpose you had in mind. When you're done, click Done in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. Once you're satisfied with the name, description, and products, click Save. You can usually find the Save button at the bottom right of the page or at the top near the search bar. This will create your new catalog. Now let's display this catalog on your online store. Go back to the left-hand menu and click on Online Store. At the top, you'll see your current theme. On the right side of that theme, click Customize or Edit Theme, depending on the label you see. Give the page a moment to load the theme editor. You'll see a preview of your store on the right and a list of sections on the left. In the left panel, look for a section called Featured Collection. If you already have one, click it to open its settings. If you don't see it yet, click Add Section, then choose Featured Collection from the list of options. This section will allow you to showcase a specific catalog on a page like your homepage. Once the Featured Collection section is open, look for the setting labeled Collection near the top. Click the Select button next to it. A list or search box will appear. From there, choose the catalog you just created. After you select it, wait a moment for the preview on the right to refresh. You should now see the products from your new catalog displayed in the preview. You can also customize the heading for this section. Instead of the default text like Featured Collection, you might replace it with the name of your catalog, such as Winter Catalog or New Arrivals. This helps keep your storefront consistent and clear for visitors. As you scroll down in the left panel, you'll find additional styling and layout options, such as how many products to show, how they're arranged, and other design choices. Adjust these settings until the section looks the way you want. When you're finished and happy with how everything looks, make sure to click Save at the top right of the theme editor. This step is crucial so that all of your changes go live on your store. And that's it. You've created a catalog in Shopify and displayed it on your online store, making it easier for customers to explore your products in a clear, organized way.